Hello and welcome to this brief tutorial on creating in-text citations in MLA style. My name is Sean Heron and I am the English librarian here at Cal Poly Pomona. If you have questions about this tutorial or any of our other tutorials, you can contact me at smharen@cpp.edu. In this tutorial, we'll explain what an in-text citation is, why they have to be included, and the different ways they can be formatted. So you've got your citations together in your bibliography. Great! The bibliographic citations are only one half of a full citation. The other half is the in-text citation. What's an in-text citation? An in-text citation is the way we link materials you've used from your sources to your bibliography. Adding an in-text citation allows the reader to see specific parts of your paper that you've taken from other sources and where exactly they came from in those sources. In MLA style, an in-text citation is composed of two elements. One element links the in-text citation with the bibliography. This is the author's last name. The other element allows you to know exactly where in the source you retrieved the information you're citing. This is the page number. Generally, these two elements are delineated in the text by placing them in parentheses. Now, there are two basic ways to integrate an in-text citation into the text of your paper. First, you can place the whole citation at the end of the sentence in which you include a quote or paraphrase. So, for example, the study argues you should cite your work, parentheses, Heron 35. Note that the citation falls outside of the quotation marks and that the period that ends the sentence comes after the citation. However, this isn't the only way to include an in-text citation. If the author's name is part of the text you're going to cite, you don't have to include it within the parentheses. Instead, you can format your citation like this. Heron stated, quote, you should cite your work, unquote, parentheses 35, period. You'll notice that both of the elements in the in-text citation still appear in the citation, and therefore it works. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have further questions regarding in-text citation or citation in general, you can always talk to a librarian. To contact the librarian, send us an email at libraryhelp@cpp.edu. Thank you for watching.